Hello guys, yeah, once again welcome back to my channel, and this is a video guide about the RedBelly testnet. So for those of you that doesn't know about the RedBelly is a reward asset layer 1 blockchain, and their testnet is currently live, right? And this is an incentivized testnet. These guys have mapped out a whopping 30% of their allocation for the airdrop hunt, and this is actually going for those that will be participating on the testnet as well. And they have raised over $5.1 million. So this is one of those testnets I believe so much that will reward us once the time comes, right? So what do you need to do? You can see testnet is live. RedBelly network testnet is live. Get access and start building new product for the new market today. So just click on this place, and I'm going to be leaving this link in the description of this video so that it will be very easy for you to access. It's also going to be in our WhatsApp group as well as our Telegram group. So if you are not there, do well to join us. All the links are in the description of this video as well. So once you click on that link, it's actually going to bring you to this interface what you are seeing on my screen right away here. And you can just take your time, calm down, and read all these stuffs here, right? Now you can see before you continue with this testnet, you must gain access to the RedBelly platform. And this is why I believe so much that is actually going to reward users. Why? Is because they are actually screening out a lot of bots, even from the very first onset. And this simply means that for you to have access here, you must have an international passport, because that is the only document that is required for you to gain access to this particular RedBelly testnet. So what you need to do here, just come here, click on Connect Wallet. And here you can see permission required. We need your permission to secure the connection before we proceed. And I will go ahead and sign this message and then get connected, right? And once it gets connected here, of course, you can see I already have access to this platform. That is because I have done my verification, and you can see my balance. Perhaps let me switch over. Let me open this in another tab to show you how you can actually get to this step, right? So once I open this new page here, this is a new tab I just opened. In short, it's a new browser where I have another different wallet connected. So once you are here, the next thing you need to do is go ahead and click on Connect Wallet. And then I'm going to select MetaMask. So once it brings you here, of course, you can see it will notify you to switch over to RedBelly Network Testnet by default. You can see I'm already on Optimism Network, so I'm going to switch over to RedBelly Network Testnet, right? So once I click on switch over, and once it loads up, of course, you can see I've actually gotten access to the testnet, but not completely. Now, at the right-hand side top here, you can see my wallet is connected. And now you can see I have 0 RBNT token. So the RBNT token is the RedBelly testnet token, which we are actually going to be using to run the testnet, right? So how are you going to get the test token to complete the testnet? It's very easy. Once you come here, you can see get access credential. Identity verification is called to the RedBelly network, ensuring all participants are known as real-world people or business. So this is why I told you that they are going to reward their testnet users handsomely by the time they are going to be launching. You can see they are just trying by all means to make sure they screen every bot out from the initial stage. You can see. So if you don't have passport to verify your identity, that means you will not get access to the testnet, and that means you will not be doing the testnet. So this is very, very good. It helps to make sure that there is not going to be any bot farming these testnets, right? So what do you need to do? Come here and click on Begin Identity Verification. Or make sure you already have your passport ready. So you can see important information regarding identity verification. The identity verification process will be managed by Avera, an accredited issuer on RedBelly network. So to prove your identity, you must provide Avera with some documents such as passports. This data is not shared with nor stored on RedBelly network. So just click on I understand, and then click on Continue with Avera. Then it will bring you to this next page here. And from here, it will prompt you to approve this connection from your MetaMask. So I'm going to go ahead, sign this message. And once I approve it, now you can see permission required. Just give it some time and allow it to load up. And you can see it has loaded up. And here, just come down and read what you have here. Go ahead and click on next. And then it's going to ask you your passport details. Then this is country of issuer. So you come here and select the country where the passport was being issued. So for me, I'm actually a Nigerian and my passport was issued in Nigeria. So I'm going to search for Nigeria, right? For you, you might not be from Nigeria. So you go ahead and search for your country, select it. And then the next stage here, you need to input your passport number. That is the number on your international passport. So let's assume that this is the number on my passport, right? So once I have inputted it, you can even see the sample here. The number is written somewhere here where you are seeing my cursor. That's where you will see your passport or document number. So once you have inputted it, go ahead, click on next to bring you to the next page. And from this next page, you can see what is your full legal name as it is shown exactly on your ID. So make sure you write your name the same way it's written on your international passport, right? So for instance, if I assume, let's say my name is Chinedu, right? And then let's say my middle name is Toba. And then my surname is, let's say, Musa. So once you have selected this, input your name the way it is written on your ID. Come here, click on next. Here you are going to choose your date of birth. So let's assume today is 3rd, and let's say the month is 7th. So let's say the year is let's say 1960, right? So once you have inputted it, click on next again. So it's actually going to bring out all the information that you have filled for you to verify if they are correct, or if you need to make any changes, you can come here and edit it. So if they are in order, everything is in order, come here and click on next. Once you click on next, it's actually going to bring out a QR code that you will need to scan using your phone. So once it brings out that code, then take your mobile phone, scan that code. Once you scan that code, it's actually by default automatically, it will show you a link under your phone. Just click on that link. It's actually going to open on a browser. Once you open on that browser, the next thing you need to do is just to capture your details. Snap your passport. Once you snap your passport, it's actually going to approve and then give you an opportunity to take a selfie. So you just snap your face as well. And once that is done, by default, it will redirect you and recognize it in the system here. And once it recognizes it in the system, it's going to approve it. And once it approves it, it will bring you directly to this interface here. And by default, you will see that you are going to have 10 RBNT token will be given to you. That is the test token you are going to be using for the testnet, right? And once you come down here, you are going to see the balance reflecting here. And on the account status, you are going to see that it will be enabled, right? So this will show you that you have completed this stage, right? So if you didn't show, just refresh your page. Once you refresh your page, it's actually going to show up. And then here you have enable. If it's not enabled, just click on it, enable it. And once you enable it by default, they will give you the token and it will be enabled, right? So once you have gotten the token and you have gotten to this stage, you have enabled your account, what next do you need to do? The next thing is to go and do the testnet manually. So how do you go about the testnet? You still scroll down to this place. You can see here, you have start building a dApp. You can see run a node. So these are for those of you that are actually programmers, those persons that can build that, they can decide to build on their platform. For this one, you can also decide to run nodes. But I think this has ended. So the running of nodes is no longer available. So this is the one we are actually participating now. So just click on it, or better still, go to the description of this video. I'm also going to be leaving the link there. So you can see, check out available quest on Gazi. So once you click on it, it's actually going to take you to Gazi, where you will need to perform the required task. So once it brings you to Gazi here, remember the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. If you are not connected, you can see mine is already connected, right? So just come down, scroll down. You can see a lot of their tasks here. You can see this one has ended. You can see this one, RedBelly reward. It has also ended. So which one are we actually doing? Just come here. Forget about this space. Forget about this one. Just come to this particular one where you have RedBelly's road to mainnet exploring. So click on it and it's actually going to open it for you. Now, if you watch, you can see that I have completed all these tasks. I have actually completed all of them because I have done mine. So it's very easy. Just the way we actually have been doing tasks on Gazi is not different. So you can see this one has to do with RedBelly Network Space User. So how do you become a verified space user? This simply means to follow them on Gazi platform here. So if you scroll up, okay, look at it here. You can see RedBelly Network. You can see I'm already following them. So once you follow them, for you, it might not be writing following. Yours will be follow. Click on it and follow them. Once you follow them, come here, verify it. It might not verify at the first stage, but try it again. It will just verify. Then this one, follow RedBelly Network on Twitter. Click on it to take you to Twitter. Follow them. Then come back here, verify it, and you are good to go. This one, also the same thing is applicable. Go and follow them on their Discord server. And once that is done, come here and claim your points, right? Come here and claim your reward. You can see, you can see just 6K persons, 6K participants. So a lot of persons are not doing this thing, and this is because of the criteria they put in place before you can do the testnet. So that is why I believe so much that the reward might actually be huge. You can imagine the whole entire world, the whole world, only 6,000 persons are participated on this one. Now come here, the same thing is applicable here. Just watch YouTube RedBelly Network Asset dApp tutorial. Click on it, watch the tutorial, come back, verify this. If I have not done it, I would have been showing you how to do it, but it's very easy and simple. So the same thing is here. You visit this dApps here. Once you visit these dApps, it's actually going to take you to where you visit the app, then come back and verify it. Then this one, get yourself verified using RedBelly Access dApp. This one has to do with the former one we did. That place we verify ourselves. So if you click on it, it will take you back to that place we got verified. And once it take you back there, it will actually identify that you have verified yourself. You will now come back and verify it here, and it's going to verify. Then you come down again and click on claim, right? And for this one, you can see only 2,000 participants. The whole world, only 2,000 persons have participated on it. Then come again to this one. There is one particular one I want to show you, and I want to advise you on what to do so that you will not miss it. So this one say buy property token using Arrow IP Homes. So I think this is the one I want to show you. So here you are going to click on it. If you click on it, it is going to bring you to this platform. So this is their real estate platform where you will need to buy any home of your choice. But first thing first, once you are here, come here, connect your wallet, and then switch over to RedBelly Testnet network, right? And then don't select anyone because you don't have enough fund. Remember, only 10 RedBelly Testnet token was given to us, so you have to use it very well because there is another task you're also going to do. So if you don't use it very well, you will not have enough fund to complete the other task. So just come down, look for, there is one I bought, I think that one was 7 RedBelly test token. So look for the one that is very cheap. This one is 8. You can see this one is 9, this one is 9. So I'm going to look for let me go to page 2. There is one I bought at 7 RedBelly token. I think that one enabled me to have another token to complete the other one. Okay, look at, see, this one is 6. So just come and buy this one. I think it's this one I bought. So it doesn't matter the one you bought. The most important thing is that you have bought something and it has recorded for you. So click on it. It's actually going to show you the details You can see the details here. You can see residential, full address of the residence. You can see Dubai, United Arab Emirates. You can see the country, United Arab Emirates. You can see the neighborhood, Desert Oasis Road, Dubai, UAE, right? So current price 6.16 ROB NT token. So buy this one so that you will still have fun to complete the remaining ones. If you watch here now, I can't buy it because it's showing me that I don't have enough balance. You can see my balance here is remaining 1.248 RBT token. And this is because I have completed all the tasks. So for you, can come here, buy it. And once you buy it, you go back again to our Gazi platform here and then click on this verify button. And it's actually going to verify that you have completed this particular task, right? And then here is give review. I forgot to even show you. You have to do it once you are on that page. Let me go back there and show you. So after you purchase, this is where we are. You just come here and give a review. Give them, let's say, 5-star, and then write something here. You can just write anything here. You can even look at what others wrote. Just write something good, and then give them 5-star and click on submit. Once you are done doing this, let's now go back to the Gazi task again. And here you can see this one that has to do with that giving of review. Click on it. It's actually going to verify that you have done it as well. Then you come here and claim your reward. Please make sure that you're also claiming your reward. You can see less than persons. This is just 1,000 participants so far. This is very, very terrible. And then the last one, which is this one here, you just have to Liquid Crypto Space user. Click on it. It's actually going to take you to their space. It's a different space altogether from this RedBelly, right? So if I click on it, I have done it to not take me there again. You are going to see a link. It will take you to their own Gazi platform. So what do you need to do? Just follow them as well. Once you follow them, then you have completed this task. Come back here and verify it. I just hope I'm explaining this thing to your understanding. Then the next one is to follow them, which is this Liquid Crypto as well. Follow their Discord server. Then come back again and verify this stuff here. Once that is done, go to Twitter and follow the same Liquid Crypto on Twitter. Come back, verify it. Then message a Liquid Crypto Discord server, GMGM channel. So once you join their Discord server, go to GMGM. You will see where they are greeting GMGM is a greeting. Just type GMGM there and send it. Once you message it, once you have sent it, come back here and verify it, and it's going to verify for you, right? And then join Liquid community. That's their Telegram community. So go ahead, join their Telegram community, and then come back again and verify this stuff, right? And then lastly, check Liquid balance. This is where you will need to swap at least a maximum of 1 RedBelly token to this Liquid balance. That is why I told you to buy the home that is not expensive, so that you will still have some RedBelly token to complete this task. So once you click on it, it's actually going to take you to a page. Look at it here. Let me go there. Let me click on it. So let me click on this. I'm going to say yes, continue. Verify that I'm not a robot. This is where it will bring me to. What are you expected to do here? You're expected to swap at least 1 RedBelly test token to this Liquid test token, right? So first thing here, connect your wallet as usual. And I'm going to MetaMask. So you can see it's connected, right? So you can see now it's already on RedBelly test token because that's what you are using. And you can see your balance will show up here. You can see my balance is just 1.2483, right? So let's say I want to swap. Let me see. I'm going to swap this. Then you see, I'm going to swap it to Liquid Desk, right? You can see the balance here. And this is the rate, right? So once it loads, just come here, click on swap. But for you, please don't select maximum. Don't select maximum on your own. Let me show you. Now, see the instructions. Say go to this link. Connect your wallet and make sure you switch to RedBelly Testnet. Select RedBelly network from drop down. Swap at least one RedBelly token to LQDXT token, that is liquid crypto token. Wait for some time and come back to claim this request. So this is to show you what exactly we are expected to do here. So they say you should swap at least one. So it should be more than one. You can decide to swap 1.5, can decide to swap 2, depending on your balance you have, you get, but make sure it's more than one. Swap it to this particular token here. Once you have selected it, come here, click on swap. It's actually going to prompt you to approve it on your MetaMask. Then finalize it. And once you finalize it, please just give it like some seconds or less than a minute before you come back here and verify it. And if you verify it, it didn't work, that means it has not populated. Just leave it for like 2-3 minutes. But I know mine didn't even stay up to 2 minutes. For 1 minute, 2 minutes, just come back, click on this verify button again. You're going to verify and then come back and claim your reward. Make sure you are claiming your reward. And again, you can see just 1.27k persons have participated on this game. Very, very low. The whole world, only 1.27k persons. So this is why I believe that this project will actually reward a lot of persons, because there are not much person doing it. It's just few person that are running it. So if you have your international passport, please make sure you do this task and let's see how it goes, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead, click on that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon. Also do well to like this video, share this video so that others will also see it and then take action. And also, if you are not yet in my group, the links are all in the description of this video. Join our WhatsApp group, join our Telegram channel so that you will not be missing any of my updates. See you in my next update, guys, and bye for now.